Welcome back for another video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to transform this staircase to this one. And for most of you who's looking for beauty and quality, I can tell you today you're in a good spot because you're gonna learn exactly the detail about how to transform your own staircase to something like this. It doesn't have to be the same color or the same shape, but I can guarantee you if you listen and watch those little techniques, you will also make something beautiful and even better. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you in detail how to do that. So depending on what you have on your staircase, as you can see me, I have carpet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my carpet. You can use, whatever you have, like a pencil, like even your hand. Just make sure you have gloves because as you know it's carpet, so they probably have some staples in or some nails, so you don't want to hurt yourself like that. So all right, all removed. Now you need to clean. You can either use a vacuum or use, as you see I'm doing, just a sweep. Like just sweep the area, make sure that it's all clean. Like that you're gonna have a better vision to see where is the nails or the staples. So because it's carpet, so definitely have some staples. So before you put your stairs, you have to make sure you remove all that. All that's been removed, so it's all clean. Now the most important thing is the stairs. So you can go in any home hardware store and get those pre-finished stairs. This one is a simple trade. It's a hardwood. So as you can see here, I just removed the plastic. It comes with two. So my wife tried to show you guys what it is, and over here you can see simple trade. So it's a really good kit though, I can tell you. It's really cheap compared to some of it. I think it's $71 for each. So we get 10 of that one. And the hardwood we're using, it's a red oak hardwood. So because it's a red oak, so we get a stand which gonna match the stairs and also match the hardwood floor we had in the house. So we decide to go with the red oak as well. As you know, they all pre-finished. You don't need to do that, but we decide to just send the stairs. It's only the stairs we're gonna do that too, because before we put the stand. So you can go ahead, stand that area, clean it before you put this stand on. It's good to have a team, it's make it easy and fast. So I just stand and then my wife just dry it, which is pretty good. Just clean and remove the extra stain on the board here, and then it's gonna be fast to dry. So you just have to put it somewhere in the air or some like that. I just have that little so you go ahead, repeat the same process. So here we have our stain there. All we need to do now, give it a 2 coat of the clear, the shiny one. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So but before we do that, we also want to paint white the base. So we're gonna paint the base white. That's gonna make this stair look really beautiful, as you can see in the finished one at the beginning. So after do that, we all done. So all you have to do now, just let it dry. So we got our coat on, we got our paint dry now, so we're all good. So we have to go inside now. Here's the stairs, so all clean. Remove the carpet, all the nails are done. As you know, it was carpet. Definitely have some adjustment to make here. So I see, like down there, I need to add a 1/2 inch board here to match the top one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that in all stairs. So if your stairs is straight, you don't need to do that. Just because mine was carpet, you know, carpet, they always have a little bump at the end. I'm gonna start with my base. Some people start at the top, but I have it's perfect idea why I wanna start at the bottom. So you're gonna see exactly why I'm gonna take that. You always need to take your measurement. So I go with my measurement and then go ahead and cut my base here. So here's my first base. So that's the first thing you have to do, put your base on. Using my 18 inch nail gun. So and to do that, so before you put your staircase, before you put your stairs, so you need to put some glue. So you don't have to, but if you want your stairs to be really really fit and, you know, unmovable, you need to put that. So the reason why I start at the bottom is because, so when you put the second base, I want the second base to be on top of these stairs, so that it's gonna be easy. And go ahead like that, just clip it on. So you see where I put my nail gun here? All my nails, they're gonna be covered by the next base, what's gonna be on top. So no one gonna see any nails point out. I don't need to use some fitting wood to place that. So here's what I meant by that. So when you put your base on top, it's definitely gonna put some pressure on the first step here. That's gonna prevent the stairs from tilt forward if someone put pressure on it. So not gonna flip over because the base gonna press it down and hold it tight. So even your nails doesn't hold it tight, but because of the base, your stairs not gonna tilt whatever you forget to nail it or not. So it's gonna be like stuck there and unremovable. So then go ahead, repeat the same process. Yes, for sure you may have some area it doesn't fit properly, using a rubber hammer to just knock it in, and then that's it. So as you can see here, I put my all my staircase on, and now I need to do the corner. Just fill those little space you can see at the corner here with some silicone, and then that's it. And then it's gonna look like this. There is the finish, guys. Beautiful, shiny, sexy, I even said. Nothing beautiful than that. So this job is amazing. I think guys, you can go ahead and do the same thing. It's not complicated. You just need to have the exact good material, and then the measurements are properly done, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. It was a pleasure to be with you again this weekend. for another video like this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. I hope you comment. I hope a lot of things for you in this video. And guess what? If there's a question I don't answer in this video, please put your comment below or send me a private message on Instagram or Facebook or whatever platform you see here, and I'm gonna be happy to answer all that. So if you're new on this platform, consider to subscribe, because I don't want you to miss the next comment video. And I can tell you it's secret, you're gonna love it. So stay tuned. I'll see you the next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.